Sky's the limit. XPeng's Flying Car is set to redefine travel forever. We're about to dive into XPeng Aeroht's flying cars, which promise to change how we travel. What could this mean for our everyday journeys? Let's get started on this exciting journey. XPeng Aeroht has officially started piloted test flights for the land aircraft carrier with the company's founder and skilled pilot, Zhao Deli, flying it himself. This testing phase is all about making sure the vehicle works well with people on board and that every feature is ready for real-world use. XPeng Aeroht is preparing to launch its flying car for sale with pre-orders planned to start in December. And XPeng is thinking big. They're ready to produce these vehicles on a large scale. The company is building a new factory in Guangzhou, China that's set to produce up to 10,000 flying vehicles a year. The first focus will be on making the flying modules for the land aircraft carrier. With such a big production target, XPeng Aeroht could quickly become a major player in the flying vehicle industry, marking one of the highest production goals out there. The land aircraft carrier, nicknamed the Mothership, is a one-of-a-kind six-wheeled vehicle with 3 axles. Its main feature, a flying module stashed neatly in the trunk, visible through a glass cover. When it's time to fly, the flying module detaches from the mothership and unfolds 6 arms with electric propellers, allowing it to take off vertically. This air component is all electric and can be flown either manually with a joystick or autonomously. Once the flying module reconnects with the ground vehicle, it starts recharging from the mothership's power, getting it ready to fly again whenever needed. XPeng Aeroht isn't stopping with the land aircraft carrier. It's also working on another advanced flying vehicle, the X5 eVTOL. This eVTOL, or electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, is designed for high-speed long-range travel between cities. The X5 has 6 tilt rotors that can switch from a vertical position, allowing it to hover and take off like a helicopter, to a horizontal position for flying at high speeds, like an airplane. The X5 is still in the prototype stage, but XPeng aims to start production within the next 5 years, potentially transforming how we travel between cities. The XPeng Guangzhou factory includes everything needed for large-scale production, like a composites shop, painting area, and assembly line. The facility is ready to produce the flying modules for the land aircraft carrier, along with parts for both land and air components. With this setup, XPeng is prepared to deliver on its ambitious flying car production goals. Safety is a top priority for XPeng. The company has already set up over 200 air modules to rigorously test each part, including the rotors, motors, and battery components. Recently, XPeng showed off the air module's ability to take off, fly, and land autonomously during a live demo in Guangzhou. On top of that, they've developed a multi-parachute emergency rescue system to protect passengers in case of emergencies during low-altitude flights. XPeng Aeroht sees huge potential for the land aircraft carrier beyond everyday use. This flying car could make a real difference in emergency situations, like highway accidents, medical rescues, and even evacuations from tall buildings. The vehicle can help emergency teams cross obstacles quickly, making it ideal for urgent situations. For now, XPeng plans to deploy these vehicles for public service in controlled environments, giving the company real-world data on how they perform in different settings. XPeng Aeroht is also working hard to build a network to support its flying car program, with 60 partnerships already established across airports, tourist spots, scenic areas, and suburban zones. Financially, XPeng is backed by solid investments. The company recently raised $150 million in a Series B funding round, adding to the $500 million from its Series A round in 2021. Investors like Sequoia China and GL Ventures have shown strong support, enabling XPeng to push forward with mass production and commercialization of these flying vehicles. What do you think? Are you ready to embrace the future of travel with XPeng's flying car? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love our related video on XPeng's flying car, because who needs roads when you have $200,000? Explore its features and see how it's set to change the way we move.